Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change birthday on Facebook. So let's start the video. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Now go to the menu bar, then tap on your profile picture or name to open your profile. Scroll down to find and tap on see your about info. Click here. Now scroll down and under basic info, tap on the edit option. Here you will see your birth date listed. Tap on the edit icon next to your birth date. Adjust your birth date by selecting the appropriate day, month, and year from the drop-down menus. After updating your birth date, click or tap Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Also remember, Facebook may limit the number of times you can change your birthday or require verification if your birthday is changed too frequently. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.